where should we shoot? Oh, how about this few right there?
Nice idea.
All right. All right. Ah, man, we missed.
I need somewhere to plug in my phone. There's no outlet. Oh, come on!
Okay, let's see if we can shoot this Nerf gun through that leaf.
That's a pretty good idea. Think you can manage it?
I like 5. Starting now. Yay!
What's that for?
Just for fun.
I'm gonna have to slap you now.
Well, now that we're by a mountain, we should probably shoot up.
Yeah, that'd be cool. What do you think will happen?
I don't know.
Oh no.
Ah! I like 5! Okay, so you want to see how good a shot I am right now?
Sure.
Okay.
You're a pretty good shot.
Thank you. I hope we're not bothering the neighbors, though.
Uh-oh.
You weirdo!
Wait a minute! How the heck do you stop this thing?
Piece to the cock and a piece to cock. My name is Ray. I like to swim in the pool. Oh, word. Wicka wicka word.
You weirdos are stupid! Rabbit's stupid! And get off my driveway!
We're not on your driveway!
Yeah.